Chapter 05 Kural 02. Welcome back to our enlightening journey through Thirukkural, the ancient Tamil literary masterpiece. In this episode, we explore Chapter 5, diving into the profound wisdom encapsulated in Kural 2. A good family person also extends support to saints, the poor, and the needy. Greetings to all our viewers. Today, we explore Chapter 5 of Thirukkural, which sheds light on the essence of being a good family person. Join us as we unravel the profound teachings of Thirukkural on extending support and compassion beyond our immediate family. Chapter 5 of Thirukkural teaches us that being a good family person extends beyond the boundaries of our immediate relatives. Thirukkural emphasizes the importance of supporting and assisting saints, the poor, and the needy, fostering a spirit of compassion and selflessness. Let us delve into the profound teachings of this Kural and understand the essence of extending support and compassion as envisioned by Thirukkural. Thirukkural reminds us that being a good family person means recognizing the interconnectedness of humanity. It entails extending a helping hand to saints, those who have devoted their lives to spiritual pursuits, as well as reaching out to those less fortunate, such as the poor and the needy. Thirukkural's teachings guide us to cultivate a compassionate heart, actively seeking opportunities to support and uplift those in need. By extending our care and assistance beyond our immediate family, we contribute to the well-being and happiness of the larger community. Thirukkural reminds us that supporting saints allows us to benefit from their wisdom and spiritual guidance. By assisting the poor and the needy, we alleviate their suffering and provide them with a chance to lead a better life. These acts of kindness create a ripple effect, fostering a more compassionate and harmonious society. Thirukkural's wisdom teaches us that extending support to saints, the poor, and the needy is a duty and a profound opportunity to cultivate empathy and compassion. It is through these selfless acts that we enhance our own humanity and contribute to the greater well-being of society. Reflecting on Chapter 5, Kural 2, we are reminded of the profound significance of extending support and compassion beyond our immediate family. Thirukkural's teachings inspire us to be good family persons by recognizing the interconnectedness of humanity and actively engaging in acts of kindness towards saints, the poor, and the needy. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through Thirukkural. May the teachings of this ancient text inspire us to extend our love, care, and support to those in need, fostering a world filled with compassion and kindness. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes as we unravel the timeless teachings of Thirukkural. Until next time, may your heart be filled with compassion, and your actions be a source of support for all those in need.